or I can call it secret. It is public, it's not secret, public website. By chatting individuals, by chatting on behalf of the favorite brand that you know, that you have, or you like. So here we go. We look at this website. The website is called ChartDesk. And the ChartDesk, they have different kinds of jobs. These different kinds of jobs are there, but today we're going to be looking, in this part 1 of this video, we're going to be looking at how you can earn $50 to $70 as a ChartDesk expert. When I talk about ChartDesk expert, you know what it means. The good thing with it, why I brought it on this platform, it's reliable, it's eligible, and it's legit. Then 2, you can easily get it. 1, they don't require for you to have experience, past experience. 2, you can do it from wherever you are. There are individuals who always say, me, I'm in Africa, me, I'm in Asia, can I do it? Yes, you can do it. But this is a disclaimer for you. In this world, there's nothing that is totally free. It can be free for you not to pay for it, but you need to invest in your time. You need to focus, and you need to say, yeah, I want to do this money. You need to set up your goal. You need to stand up and say, I want to get this amount of money. Like me, if I want to achieve on being on social media, I have to come every day. So for you, if you want to get money out of this, you have to learn it. You have to go for it. Let's dive in and see this website. In this part 1 of this website, we're going to be looking at 2 things. 1, what is this website? And 2, what are the qualifications? And how can you access this job? This is what we're going to look at in this part 1. Then part 2, we'll be looking at other things. So first of all, I would love to say thank you to every royal viewer of Immaculate Show, every person that has been coming back. Thank you very much. You make us, because the more you come, the more we also get motivated, and also we make money. Because every time we come here, baby girl, we are looking for money. We are not entertaining. And secondly, we also dispensing love, because we are bringing for you something that works. So let's dive in and see this ChartDesk website. ChartDesk website, I want you to go to your browser. Like now I'm going to my browser to show you how it looks like. Go to your browser and put the ChartDesk. When you put ChartDesk, you're going to get a lot of options, but go for ChartDesk Expert. So as ChartDesk Expert comes, the first interface will look like this. It will be telling that ChartDesk Expert is remote, contracted, and it is an entry level, meaning that is the least level for a job opportunity on the ChartDesk, being a ChartDesk expert. What you do, for you to apply for this ChartDesk expert, you need to know some things. I would love you to first know what exactly is this ChartDesk expert. When they tell you ChartDesk expert are freelance customers, customer support experts. I will call it in another way. I'll call it customer service. For you to be a ChartDesk, you have to be a customer service person. But in this, you're going to find that in ChartDesk expert, you're not going to call, you're not going to receive messages. You're only going to type. You're only going to answer queries depending on what I've asked you on social media platforms. We'll be seeing that you can find this. You're going to be working with your social media platforms like Twitter, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and many more others without excluding your emails. So this is the thing. You are a customer service expert. And the good thing that I love about it, it is mainly for your brands that you love. It's not that random people, like other jobs, these chatting jobs is for maybe individuals from America or one-on-one like that. But this one is for brands. So get to know that. Though about this job, they tell you if you're looking for additional income. So we are not saying that this money, you're going to start today and you become a millionaire. Of course, you're going to get the $50, $70, depending on your level of expertise as far as customer service and customer expertise is concerned. So If we are coming to this one, you know that it is entry level, but you can go ahead and find you on top that you go to the A1 grade. So as you're looking for this job, if you're a woman with a child at home, your mother, sit-home mother, you're a housewife, are you a courage person? Are you going to work like me? You can do this job because it is a freelance. One, it is flexible. You can do it from wherever you are, as I told you, and at any time. Because as we come to the application, you're going to see they'll be asking you some of the things that you need to know. Like, for example, which time is appropriate for you. You're very flexible and you can do it from the beach. You can do it from your bed. You can do it from your work, wherever you are, provided you say, I want to earn extra little income. So these days, everyone is looking for, this is what they say, what you do here, you can provide support for your customers through social media channels. We have Facebook, as I told you, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and email. A chat desk offers flexible part-time opportunities that allow you to create your own schedule and have the opportunity to work from anywhere. You guys, as I always tell you, social media is not there for fun. There are some people who say they came here to do fun. But social media is there to connect you, is there to make you grow your brands, is there to make you gain rarity, and now to earn money. So if you have these social media platforms, this is the time for you to do work. So bad customer support, this is now their goal and their objective. They say, who are we? Bad goal customer support is the worst. ChartDesk helps e-commerce brands attract, support, and retain customers. Because you all know that if you're in retail or you're in any way as customer is concerned, we need loyal customers. We need people to come back. There is no any brand that doesn't want a customer service desk. But now here we are at ChartDesk. This is what they are. If you know you have skills, come here. No experience is needed, but you can learn. So what are the benefits that you're going to get from here? The benefits, you make your own schedule, like I told you. You work from anywhere, I told you. You support your favorite brands. Like now you'll sit down and say, what are my favorite brands? You look at them, you check, this is my favorite brand. It's not that you're going to work for everything. Then you have unlimited earning potential, depending on your timing, depending on your expertise and other things. What are you expected to do in this? You're expected to do a lot of things, but they all revolve around your favorite brands. You represent them. If I'm saying that I'm going to represent my brand of home center, I'm going to represent the home center online. So whatever I'm going to speak, it is going to be on the thing I love. You know, when you're doing something that you love and you're supporting someone you love, is more better and more good. Then you provide meaningful engagement. You respond timely to the messages on social media. You resolve customer requests and care and professionalism. You guys, this is a nice job that I've ever seen. Can you station yourself and do the $50 to $70 per hour? You can do it, right? If you know you can do it, please go to the comment section. Write there something of this chat desk. I'm coming back with part 2, such that I will tell you how you can get involved and how you can earn, how you can receive your money. It will be in chat 2. But before I cross for this chapter, part 1, I want you to know these are basic requirements for you to be involved in this chat desk expert job. One, you don't need prior customer service care, but if you have, it is an added advantage because this one is an entry level. Then the second one, you must have a laptop. Yes, you must have a computer and you must have internet access because all of it, you're going to be on social media. And there are some people like us who are always on social media, who have your Facebook, your TikTok. Instead of doing silly things that are not making money for you, why not take up this job? If you want to take up this job, please go to the comment section and I sent for you a link. Then the third one, high proficiency in English written communication. As I told you, this one is involved only writing, chatting, no calling. So for you, writing, written English communication is very key and very essential. But if at all you have any other language like Spanish, French, it will be an added advantage. Can I tell you something that will make you great? Some people are learning a lot of things from here, and this quality is more much. You're going to be able to make sure that you can resolve conflicts. When you're dealing with your brand, your customer care expert, and a lot of customers, a lot of people are going to be giving you, like the way, we always give Shane, yeah, we always tell Amazon, no, your people are not like this. I call customer care service. So what you do, you'll be in position to resolve by testing, and you'd really get the customer base to be royal customers. You guys, this is so good that you'll be eager to meet challenges, you'll be eager to meet customers, and be really, I'm even eager for me to start it up. In the next video, next part, we are going to be looking at how to do the application and how to receive our money. Thank you very much.